Hi, welcome to Eats Chowtime. I have created this channel to show you how I make daily home-cooked meals. Today is the second day of May, Saturday, and I have been craving for seafood lately. So on today's vlog, I am going to show you how I make Cajun seafood and pasta. Let's start off with the ingredients. Again, we will be needing chili flakes, brown pepper, smoked paprika, Cajun spice, garlic, onion, rosemary, unsalted butter, Hungarian sausage, clams, crabs, shrimps, and sweet corn. Prepare our pan and set the heat to medium-low and add about 5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, or EVOO as Rachel Ray calls it. Add a stick of butter, then saute the garlic and onion. Saute the sliced Hungarian sausage for about 3 minutes and add the rest of the spices. Now, I really wish you could smell this because it smells so delicious, and this time I cannot wait to get into the end of this video and eat. Once we have mixed the spices, add 2 cups of water and add the sweet corns. Cover and simmer it for 10 minutes. So when cooking, always remind yourself to put the ingredient that takes longer to cook, and for this dish, that would be the sweet corn. Now, add and carefully submerge the crab into the pot, cover and simmer it for 10 minutes, and make sure to turn it over from time to time. Make sure to mix the ingredients gently as we don't want to mush or ruin the seafood. Now, add the shrimps, cover and simmer it for 5 minutes. I really prefer to have pasta when cooking this dish, so pasta over rice for now, and I will show you later how easy it is to make the sauce. Finally, add the clams and simmer it for 5 minutes. And it is done, my version of Cajun seafood. This really deserves a good plating. Remember the pasta earlier? So here it is. I just added the seafood sauce and boy, it's so good. So there you have it, my version of Cajun seafood and pasta. Treat yourself this weekend and make one for your loved ones. So thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video and do not forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at _eatschowtime_ and on my Twitter account at Each Chowtime. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!